Greetings, my name is Will and you are watching the Sense of Wonder YouTube channel. And on this channel there's a whole lot of stuff coming in a whole lot of different areas covering all kinds of stuff. And a lot of it is going to have a little bit of a medieval slant to it. And this video is just a first introductory video to a series I'm going to do on making a stained glass window of a stained glass night. And there's a long actual story arc that goes into, from my life, that goes into making this stained glass window. It goes back about 12 years. And tomorrow I'll tell you a little bit about that story, about how this project came into manifestation or came into fruition. But for now, let's take a look at, beginning a project like this. I love stained glass. I have visited many churches, cathedrals, and basilicas all over the world, and I'll be showing you some of that too on this channel, including, the Vatican in Rome. But, like I said, I love stained glass, and I've done some stained glass work, and this is a nice project based on an actual 100-year-old stained glass window of a praying night on a pilgrimage. If you want to see more about this, you can go to my website at stormthecastle.com. But here, let's take a look at the beginning process. I've created a template because I'm actually copying a real window. Although if you're creating your own window, you would create a template on paper that has all the parts and everything's all measured out to the exact size of the window is going to be. And now I'm making a wooden jig so I can keep everything strong and neat and secure as I build the window. And so that's what I got going on here. I'm just using some wood to do a kind of like a reverse L shape. And that's important. And I'm a lefty, so putting these two pieces in this configuration is kind of comfortable for me to slide the glass over up against this right-hand wall. If you're a righty and you want to do something like this, you might want to consider that vertical piece that I'm drilling now, screwing in right now, might want to consider putting that on the other side over on the left. But it's a matter of preference. But I've ordered a bunch of supplies. I've got, I think, all the tools I need to get this project done. I mean, it'll take some time. It's a lot of work, getting the pieces exactly right and matching the glass as best I can. Like, it is a 100-year-old window, so it's going to not be possible probably to match the colors exactly the same, but I'll do the best I can. And there is also, paint on this glass, which is going to be an interesting part of the process. It's actually an art into itself, where you paint onto the glass and then you bake it. So it's baked right into the glass. That's kind of interesting. I will be showing you all of that in this series. If you think this is something you might be interested in, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Or if you have any thoughts, or if you've done stained glass, I'd love to hear from you. But like I said, visit my website at stormthecastle.com. I have other stained glass stuff, including tutorials for beginners on how to do small projects. Like I made a nice little stained glass ornament to go on the front of my beehive, one of my beehives. But I'll be covering all this stuff. Let's take just one last look. I'm going to show you a few materials. Stained glass is wonderful. Here, now this is called zinc cane, and it's a stronger, and I'm going to be using this all the way around the edges for strength of the window. The original doesn't have that. The original has lead all the way around. But it's a matter of how you're going to set it into a door or into a wall or something. And this is the actual lead, and that's why I'm wearing a glove. But that's the lead cane, and that will be what holds all the pieces together. That's all those lines. That's all the lead. That's what makes the stained glass. It holds all the pieces together. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Lots more stuff coming. This is the stained glass night project. And see, there's some beautiful glass. I'll also try to, at some point, let you know how much all of this costs, so you can get a sense for, making a project like this if you'd like to do something like this. Thank you.